Hey, howdy, hey, Jack from Cottco Specialty Hardware. Welcome to another edition of Cottco Chronicles. In this episode, we are showcasing Polar Hardware's 505 stainless steel latch. Now, the 505 is very similar to its companion, the 506, except that the 505 is approximately 30% smaller. The 505 is manufactured from 304 stainless steel and is an ideal candidate for small refrigerators and small panels. It can be used on truck bodies, trailers, refrigerated units, anywhere that a small stainless steel lock is required. The 505 is available as a lock body with a flush to half-inch adjustable strike assembly or a 9/16 to 1.25" adjustable strike assembly. Cottco sells lock bodies, complete sets, and a repair kit for the 505. The 505 can even be padlocked. This is Polar Hardware's 505 stainless steel lock, available to you from Cottco Specialty Hardware. Questions? Call us toll free, USA and Canada, 877-283-1745. Thanks for stopping by. We appreciate your business. You have a great day. Bye-bye.